Heart diseases are becoming very common among people under 40. A recent study says that heart disease is the #1 cause of death for people under 40. I'm sure you would want to avoid getting these diseases. In this video, I will tell you some Ayurvedic tips that will help you stay healthy. In heartbreaking news, prominent TV actor and model Siddharth Shukla died at the age of 40 after a heart attack. Even though the actor appeared to be in good physical shape, heart problems did not appear to be a problem. So, the best way to prepare for the condition is to feed your body the correct kind of nutrients that strengthen the heart and feed the intellect. Having said that, one of the primary causes of heart disease is a sedentary lifestyle. The chances of becoming addicted to a sluggish mindset with no exercise and an unhealthy diet are pretty significant. Ayurveda can lower your risk of heart disease. Heart illnesses is a broad word that refers to a group of diseases characterized by problems with blood circulation, heart vessels, and muscles. High cholesterol levels, obesity, diabetes, family history, smoking, and a high-fat, high-sodium diet are some of the most prevalent causes of heart disease. Ayurveda can help you manage all of these issues, which in turn can help you tackle serious illnesses like heart attack, coronary artery disease, and so on. Ayurveda is a traditional healing and medicinal technique that is particularly beneficial in avoiding heart problems or cardiovascular disorders beginning at the age of 18. According to Ayurveda, different types of foods should be consumed for heart health depending on your Prakriti, Kapha, Pitta, Vata. Foods to include in your diet to maintain a healthy heart. Here are some things you can add in your diet, according to an Ayurvedic expert. Arjun ki chal is a Hindi name. Arjun ki chal, Vata people, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities, is highly effective in treating high cholesterol levels by increasing good cholesterol levels. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, dalchini for Kapha people, is another ubiquitous spice found in all of our Indian kitchens that functions as a powerful anticoagulant. It also helps to regulate blood pressure and reduces inflammation caused by arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Cinnamon with warm water in the morning is also beneficial for patients with heart disease. Papaya. Consuming papaya is a simple home treatment. The fruit is high in antioxidants including vitamin A, C, and E. A high antioxidant diet will dramatically lower a person's risk of heart disease. Antioxidants keep cholesterol from oxidizing. When cholesterol oxidizes, it increases the likelihood of forming blockages that contribute to heart disease. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, often known as Indian ginseng, is beneficial to Vata people. It's a little shrub with tiny pale green flowers, plain leaves, and bright red berries. The root and leaves of ashwagandha provide the majority of its advantages. Teas are frequently made with the leaves. In a 60-day study of chronically stressed persons, it helped lower cholesterol levels by an average of 17%. It also lowers the stress hormone cortisol levels in the body. Stress is known to be a risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Thank you for watching.